Hey guys, I'm Billy G. Welcome back. As you can see behind me, I have the Z1 Motorsports long tube cold air intakes, and I've been prepping the G to get ready for the install. So far, I've taken off the front bumper, and I'm about to disassemble the intakes so we can get the new ones on. Front bumper is off. It's over there. I'm gonna polish it up a little bit while it's down, and we're gonna take off the engine cover, and then we're gonna take the intakes off on both sides. We're gonna remove the boxes, we're gonna remove the MAF sensors on both sides. We are going to take out the OEM ones, and then we're gonna have to actually, in here, we're gonna have to make this hole bigger. We're gonna have to drill this out so that the new intakes fit through. And I think this just slides off like that. Styrofoam. Let me just put this over here. IPL bumper. All right, so let's get started. We got the front end disassembled. The stock intakes are off, both sides. Next is this hole. We're gonna have to clearance the hole here. I think I need to take this down or get it out of the way to get the drill in there. But we're gonna shave this off, make it bigger. Same thing on this side. Probably gonna do this side first. So we got it drilled out. It's got a nice opening for that intake. I just gotta clean up that dust there. And then we have to do the same thing to this side. But it's gonna be a little bit harder because we have these lines here we have to be careful of, so wish me luck. We have the passenger side all done. See, buttoned up nice and tight. Goes through there, no pressure on the tube. It's keeping it shape. And we got everything tightened up and swapped out. Now, it's time for the driver's side. I already cleaned the throttle bodies. You just gotta put it in here, and it's gonna come right through this Johnny. I wind it up pretty good. We'll see how it does. So driver's side and passenger side intakes are installed, pretty level. The MAF sensor is on the bottom here, so when you put them in, they go face down. Pretty good. No pinching. Lots of space in there. Alright guys, the intakes are installed. I don't know if you can see them in there. From Z1 long tube cold air intakes. Just gonna see we get some good sounds. Let's check out those revs. Not too bad.